Welcome to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today let us make palak potato curry. For that we require palak and also little pudina with that. I took for the flavor potato finely chopped into cube pieces, green chilies, spring onion I took. You can take like normal onion also. As this is the season, I took spring onion, garlic cloves, finely chopped ginger, carrot. I took as it is healthy, and I took also in place of potato. I need some more potato. That is why I took carrot as a compensation. Salt, spices, mirchi powder, turmeric powder, mustard, coriander powder, jeera and ajwain. Now on the stove, I put kadai on the stove. Take oil in the kadai. Take 2 spoons of oil, 2 full spoons like this. Now add jeera, then mustard, little turmeric, then garlic pieces, then chilli, then ginger, now mix all this well. Let garlic cloves and green chilies fry. It will take 2 minutes to fry. After this, let us add potato pieces and carrot pieces. I took green chilies like around 6 and potatoes medium size 3. Now mix again. Add around 1 spoon of salt now, so that potato pieces get fried easily. Leave it for 2 minutes, then we will add carrot. Now it's time to add carrot. I made very small pieces because it will get easily fried and also it will get easily mixed up with the green palak. Looking colorful, right? White, orange, green, almost all the colors of flag. Now add onions. Mix all of them well and allow them to cook for 2 more minutes. Then we will add green leaves, palak and pudina. Now it seems potato and carrot almost cooked up, as we allow 2 to 5 minutes for cooking, and you mix them in between, and see that it shouldn't stick to the pan. See, like this. Now add coriander powder, little chili powder, not much, as we took enough green chilies. I am adding nowadays little ajwain, keeping in mind about the present situation, lockdown, as Modi suggested. Now let us add green leaves, both pudina and also palak. Ready enough, right? It is kadai full. Now let us mix it. Otherwise, let it cook for 2 minutes. Then I will mix up. Let us mix now. Come down like this. Little by little like this from the sides. And the palak got little salt and also water inbuilt. And that water mix like this perfectly, like until everything gets mixed up. Now allow it for 2 to 3 minutes for cooking. Let the water from palak come out, and it will also help in cooking these potato and carrot. The curry looks still little dry. I think it needs little water to get cooked up. I am adding like little water, like half a cup. Now let it cook. Now again to allow 2 more minutes. I think it's done. We are almost done. Get this, almost the curry cooked up, everything, all the potato pieces are soft now. See, that means the curry cooked well. It's time to add lemon. That is our last step of the curry. off the stove and add lemon. If you add lemon when the stove is on, for that heat, the taste changed to bitter. The lemon taste changes to bitter. Now mix well. Yes, our curry is ready now. Eat with rice. You can also eat with roti, chapathi, paratha. It really tastes very delicious. This is also called flat curry.
Thanks for watching this video.